Alright folks, it's December 7th, 2023 here in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia, and we're supposed to have a chance of flurries, a 30% chance of flurries throughout the day. It's 25 to 7 a.m. That don't look like a 30% chance. That's fucking snow on the ground, folks. Yeah, sirree, Bob. A fucking snowstorm right now. Am I going to work? Probably. Most fucking likely I'll be going to work about 20 to 8. I'll be leaving. Well, look at that shit. That's basically a snowstorm, man. So yeah, I just want to share that and tape it for myself. Like I said, it's supposed to be like 30% chances of flurries. That's pretty much a snowstorm there. But anyway, you guys have a great day. I'm out. #NoFear.